Solve your affiliate marketing problems with simple solutions. A partnership can be used to loosely describe what you create when you begin attempting to profit in the world of affiliate marketing. You need to work with your parent company through their audience so that you can all benefit from the work. A little elbow grease goes a long way, but it often takes more than that. Advice provided in this video can fill in some overlooked perspectives. Place keywords in website content. By doing this, the search engines will recognize that your site is probably related to certain keywords and rank the site accordingly. But take care to do this naturally. Abnormal keyword stuffing seems unnatural and unreadable to some. Just use the keywords in a conversational way. When selecting an affiliate marketing program, check out their resources in terms of sale boosting items for you. A good affiliate program will offer you banner images, content for text ads, and letter templates, in order to help you boost sales. A sale for you is a sale for them, and you want to work for a company that understands your value as an affiliate. Use affiliate ads as a service to your readers and make sure that it complements your content. Provide it as a way to send them in a right direction based on something you have said or recommended. This will make it seem less out of place, and more like a service you are providing. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Your primary intention is to pinpoint your target audience and provide ways to meet their needs, rather than actively poach clients from other businesses. The following advice gives some successful tips for affiliate marketing. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.